Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. This edition is designed to prepare and empower you to welcome and embrace the new year with confidence and determination, not minding what the economy is saying. If you observe the wind, you will not sow. So, take the bull by the horns until it screams for mercy. Our aim is to motivate and inspire you to actualize your 2025 goals by taking bold actions and staying committed to them. To enjoy the stories and get maximum benefits, ensure you watch each story to the end. Don't attempt to terminate any halfway. They are just 5 to 6 minute videos. To achieve that, create time for it, then sit back, relax, and enjoy them fully. Let the stories inspire you to take action. Most importantly, don't miss the encouragement part. That is the icing on the cake. We called it the bottom pot, where the ingredients settled. It is here in the encouragement that we bring out the hidden treasures and gems in the story for you to run with. So, be patient and watch to the end. One more thing, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. From my heart to yours, love and gratitude. Titus Ogbeto Ray. And now, today's story, titled, New Year, New Beginnings, How to Turn Your Goals into Reality as the Dawn of a New Year approaches. It's easy to feel the rush of excitement, the optimism, and the hope that comes with a fresh start. The calendar flips, and with it comes a powerful moment of potential. It's the time when we set resolutions and make plans, believing that this year will be different. But as time passes, the energy of those initial moments can fade, and our resolutions often fall by the wayside. This year, let's make it different. Let's transform the energy of New Year's hope into lasting change. This story is about a journey, your journey, toward the goals that matter most to you. The journey begins. Imagine standing at the edge of a new path. The road is long, winding, and unknown, but the view from here is breathtaking. You're excited, you're determined, and you know that you're capable of so much more than you've ever allowed yourself to believe. This is the moment where your goals come into focus. Whether it's writing a book, building a business, improving your health, or learning a new skill, today marks the beginning of something incredible. The first step is the most important one. It's easy to dream of the destination, of the feeling of accomplishment, the success, and the praise. But success doesn't come from the dream alone. It comes from action. And action begins with clear, intentional goals. Set clear, meaningful goals. Start by asking yourself, what do I truly want? Not what others expect, not what society says you should want, but what lights a fire in your heart. The clearer and more specific your goals, the easier it will be to turn them into a reality. For example, instead of saying, I want to be healthier, you could say, I will exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week, and eat more vegetables every day. Specific goals give you direction. They take you from simply wishing to actually doing. The road ahead, consistency over perfection. Now, the journey is underway. But let's face it, challenges will arise. You'll encounter obstacles that seem impossible to overcome. There will be days when motivation wanes, when you question whether it's worth it, and when the easy path seems more appealing. But here's the truth, success isn't about making the perfect decisions or having the perfect plan. It's about showing up every single day. Consistency is what makes the difference. Remember, even the greatest athletes didn't get to the top without countless hours of practice, failure, and perseverance. Even the most successful entrepreneurs faced setbacks and rejection before they saw their dreams take flight. The key to their success was simple: they didn't give up. Embrace the struggle. Celebrate the wins. It's important to remember that every struggle you face is part of the journey. The difficult moments are what build resilience. They are the moments that test your commitment and reveal your strength. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step toward your goal. Celebrate each win, even if it's tiny. Maybe you wrote 500 words today instead of 1,000. Maybe you walked instead of running. Celebrate that. Those small victories are the building blocks of success. They add up, one by one, and over time, they transform into something much bigger than you imagined. And when setbacks happen, and they will, don't see them as failures, but as lessons. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I do better next time? The people who achieve their goals are those who refuse to be defeated by temporary obstacles. They understand that growth happens not in the comfort zone, but in the challenges we face along the way. Stay accountable and be patient. Accountability is a powerful tool in achieving your goals. Share your vision with someone you trust, a friend, mentor, or coach. Let them help you stay on track when the going gets tough. They'll remind you of why you started, they'll cheer you on, and sometimes, they'll help you see your own potential when you can't see it yourself. But perhaps one of the most important aspects of goal setting is patience. Results won't come overnight. The road to success is rarely a straight line, and there will be times when it feels like progress is slow. But every step you take, every action you take, no matter how small, is building momentum. Keep moving forward, and trust the process. A year of transformation. Imagine looking back on this year, months from now. What will you see? Will you have achieved your goals, or will you have let the months slip by without following through? You are capable of greatness. You are capable of achieving what others may think is impossible. But only if you are willing to put in the work. So, as the new year unfolds before you, take a moment to recommit. Recommit to your goals, to your dreams, and to your success. Understand that the journey will have its highs and lows, but if you stay focused, stay consistent, and stay true to your purpose, you will cross that finish line. Don't let this year be just another year of unfulfilled resolutions. Let it be the year you make your dreams happen. Step boldly forward, take action, and trust yourself. The time is now. The journey starts today. Let's make this year the year you turn your goals into achievements. You have what it takes. Here is my encouragement for you from today's motivation, beloved. Take action today, even if it's just one small step. Write down your goals, set your intentions, and commit to showing up for yourself every day. When you face obstacles, remember, you are stronger than you think. Keep going. Your future self will thank you. The world is waiting for your greatness. This year, your story will be one of triumph. The journey begins with you. You are your biggest ally. The most important relationship you will ever have is with yourself. Trust in your ability to navigate challenges, and know that you are capable of far more than you give yourself credit for. Be your own biggest cheerleader and challenge any self-doubt that tries to creep in. Speak to yourself with kindness, encouragement, and love. Your inner voice can either be your greatest asset or your worst enemy. Choose to let it propel you forward, not hold you back. The power of persistence. When the journey feels long and the end goal seems distant, remember this: persistence is often the true measure of success. Many people give up just before their breakthrough. Don't let that be you. Keep going, even when it feels like nothing is changing. The seeds you plant today will bloom in due time. Stay persistent, keep moving forward, and remember that every step, no matter how small, is progress. You are building the future you want, one action at a time. I hope you are inspired by today's New Year motivation and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbe Torah Shalom. You will succeed in 2025, it is your year.